Every platform wants a different image size. LinkedIn covers, Instagram squares, WhatsApp banners, and resizing each one by hand. That's a whole afternoon gone. Vyroq's brand kit does it all at once. Open brand kit and click the social media tab. Under channels, select every platform you're on. LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, XX. Pick as many as you need. Click generate, and Vyroq builds a full set for each one. A profile image, a cover where the platform supports it, and a post image. Every single one size to that platform's exact official dimensions. Select 4 or more, and Vyroq gently warns you this will take a few minutes since each image is composed one by one. When it's done, your results appear grouped by channel, profile, cover, post, ready to download individually. Something feel off? Type your note into the refine box. Warmer tones, perhaps, and click regenerate. It reruns the exact channels you started with, styled to your feedback. One click, every platform covered, on brand across the board. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.